Hi guys! Shoutout. Tingnan natin. Differential equations tayo mga Lodi Gigs. Review lang. Ayan, may nagpapasagot kasi. And actually, hindi ko alam talaga ilalive ko ngayong araw. Kaya lang, yan, may nagpasagot lang mga Lodi Gigs. So, review lang tayo saglit ng differential equations. So, hindi natin alam anong klase ng DE. So, try na lang natin. Actually, parang ano ata to, linear tsaka homo. Sige, more problems na lang po. Kasi nag-live lang po ako ng saglitan. Saglit na live lang mga Lodi Gigs. Sige, patap na lang ng screen nyo. Tsaka at the same time pa-share na lang yung live. Shoutout sa'yo Dave, Lodi Gigs. Ganyan magiging exam namin. Linear yung topic natin yan mga Lodi. Linear to eh. Pinasagot lang sa akin. Tsaka may isang homo ata, I think. So medyo review lang tayo saglit. Hindi sasabihin. So yung topic, alam ko apat dito linear kasi isa homo. Mga idol. If I'm not mistaken Ayan. Thank you pala dun sa mga Lodi Gigs natin. Ayun, nakuha na natin yung silver play button guys. Thank you Engineering Kit. Shoutout sa'yo Idol Jed. Si Idol Jed pala nandito eh. And guys, tap nyo yung screen natin mga Lodi para para pwede tayong makapag-share pa sa iba, makita nung iba yung live natin. Okay? Sir IJ, paano po malalaman na linear? Kapag pwede mo siyang i-express, Maxine, in the form, so magiging linear siya, Maxine, kapag pwede mo siyang gawin ganito. So pwede mo namang i-testing agad actually. So it can be this form, Lodi Gigs, or it can be the linear in X na form. Ito yung dalawang possibilities niya, Maxine. P of Y, X equals Q of Y. So this is the time that, thank you so much kay Engineer Luntok. Guys, follow nyo yan si Idol. Solid yan, civil engineer tsaka master plumber. Linear DE, first order. Ayan. Okay, shoutout kay Engineer Luntok mga Lodi Gigs. Shoutout sa mga idol natin, sa mga nagre-review for ME boards, kay Engineer Rold, kay Engineer Wilson, kay Engineer Jason, kay Engineer Suwing, tsaka kay Engineer Lek. Number 4 ata yung homo. Hindi idol, number 2 yung homo, I think. Guys, follow nyo si Engineer Luntok, Lodi Gigs yan. May Caltech sa D, actually meron naman. Kaya lang kasi hindi siya advisable, especially for undergrads. Okay. Yan si Engineer Luntok guys. Follow nyo yung page niyan. Ewan ko, sana gumawa din si Idol ng channel para pwede nating i-promote yung channel ni Engineer Luntok. Especially those preparing for CE board exams. Kasi maganda yung content ni Sir Idol eh. Shoutout kay Engineer Kent. Pwede pong pasagot yung DE activity namin. Anong topic yan, Milisa? Guys, patap nung screen guys, kahit yun lang, kahit hindi naman na mag-gift, okay lang din. Although yun, appreciated yung gift, pero ayun, basta makapag-share lang tayo mga Lodi. Ayan, thank you Corgi. Ayan guys, bukas may interview din pala ako sa radio station. Baka pwede kayo makinig, mga 2 PM, 738 kHz yung frequency. Okay? Sige guys, start tayo ng 2 minutes guys. 2 minutes start tayo, 10:34. Shoutout sa mga, okay naman guys. Audible ba si Sir IJ? Tsaka kita ba yung given natin? Thank you Engineering Kit for the rose idol Okay. Thank you Lodi Gigs for the roses. Idol instructor ka ba o teacher ka lang talaga? Hindi po Lodi Gigs, engineer po si Sir IJ, pero hindi ako nagtuturo sa university. Nagpa-part-time lang po ako sa review center minsan, pero ang pinaka main work ko po isa sa IT. Okay guys. Guys, kita ba yung given? Audible ba ako mga Lodi Gigs? Before tayo mag-start, thank you Engineering Kit for the roses, Lodi sa CE naman, Precious Heart si Engineer Luntok, tsaka CE Box or Keep Up Education. Okay, audible naman. Yung Laplace kasi idol medyo malayo pa yan kaya I'm really sorry dun sa mga Pero meron naman ako Laplace sa channel ko. Power plant idol, wala, hindi naman po ako ME. ME ba to or EE? ECE po Sir IJ. First order linear DE po tayo. Okay guys, comment start if gusto niyo na po mag-start. Solve tayo ng 5 problems. Pwede niyo i-take note yung given. Although sa mga idol natin, I will upload this to my channel naman tomorrow morning. So you don't have to worry if ever may na-miss man kayo na problem. So ayun, i-upload ko naman sa YouTube channel ko. Just search Isaiah James Maling. Mga idol. Kasama sa boards, yes. Especially kung ECE ka, matik yan, kasama yan. Shoutout kay Keira, yan, future civil engineer. Solid. Shoutout din kay, kay kasi wala akong naintindihan sa prof namin. Buti na lang meron siya sa YT. Ayun, shoutout kay Casey din. Okay, sige, start tayo. So, for number 1, so, automatically, kung mapapansin natin, yung y prime natin can be expressed as dy over dx. So, the first thing that you must do is express everything, especially yung mga y prime, into a dy over dx conversion so that you can check what type of differential equation can be formed based on the dE. So, anong gagawin natin, Sir IJ? So, yung y prime will be replaced with dy over dx plus y equals x to the 4th minus 3x. Okay, shoutout sa mga idol natin kay Lola, kay Gleben, tsaka kay Mang Elise. Okay, so ang gagawin natin, so 'di ba ang goal natin is to make sure na pwede natin siyang express as a linear DE. Kasi parang based dito sa form na to, so pwede nating eliminate yung x by dividing both sides of the equation by x. So gawin natin, so step by step yung solution natin mga idol. So that is 1 over x. So the differential equation will now be transformed as dy over dx plus y over x equals x cubed minus 3. Okay? Guys, maliwanag po ba? Nakakasunod po ba? Guys, nakakasunod pa po ba? Sige, comment lang po Pa-check nga mga Lodi Kicks if na-gets pa. Okay naman. So, anong gagawin natin, Sir IJ? Try to notice that in this given differential equation, parang ganito siya, dy over dx. So, ano yung magiging p of x natin? So, ang gawin natin, guys, so let us first identify yung p of x natin and the q of x. So, tama po ba? Anong p of x natin, mga Lodi Kicks? Anyone from our live audience? What will be our p of x based on this one? Sige, shoutout natin yung magbibigay ng mga tamang sagot. P of x, what is our p of x in the given? Di ba yung y is the multiplier? Shoutout kay Dan Ryan Jawad. So what will happen? Ano yung p of x natin, guys? Okay, hindi siya y over x FL, sorry. Check the form itself. Anyone? So para at least interactive yung discussion natin. Syempre gusto ko naman na pwede kayong makasagot. At the same time, recognizing your comments as well. Ano yung magiging p of x natin based on this? Notice that this is the same with this form. Okay, that's correct. CP. Shoutout kay CP and my bloody Viernes. That is 1 over x. So notice that p of x is equal to 1 over x. And it follows that our q of x is the right side of the equation, which is equal to x cubed minus 3. Okay? Yes, that's correct. 1 over x po. P of x natin is 1 over x kasi yung y natin is the multiplier itself. So, if you will, parang yung y can be expressed as 1 times y, and lagay natin yung y, so magiging 1 over x, Cp of x. Ay, shoutout sa'yo, Scotty. Sorry, Lodi Kicks, medyo mabagal yung comment. So, ang magiging integrating factor natin, pero shoutout kay Scotty, active yan si Lodi. The integrating factor, if we are linear in y, so that will be e raised to the integral of p of x dx. Okay? So that will be the e raised to the integral of 1 over x dx. Kapag sinimplify natin yan, Sir IJ, that will be e raised to ln ng x. Dahil may ln tsaka e, that is now equivalent to simply x. That's correct. That's correct, guys. Good job, everyone. Napaka-Lodi Kicks. Okay, so ito na, e raised to ln x equals x. So ano ulit yung form natin when it comes to linear? So recall, that the general solution of a first-order linear differential equation is given by y multiplied by the integrating factor equals the integral of q of x multiplied by the integrating factor dx. Okay? So, anong gagawin natin? Shoutout kay Swaggy Fish. Thank you so much, Lodi Gigs, future engineer. Galingan mo, idol. So, we have y multiplied by the integrating factor, which is x, equals the integral. Ang q of x natin, Sir IJ, ay x cubed minus 3 multiplied by the integrating factor x dx. Okay? So, we have xy equals, grabe, nagagalit kayo kay Nobita. Wala namang ginagawa si Nobita, di ba? Integrating x cubed times x, so that's x to the fourth minus 3x dx. Okay? So, anong gagawin natin, Sir IJ? Ano yung integral ng x to the fourth, guys? What is the integral of x to the fourth dx? Okay lang, kakastart pa lang naman, Yel. You're still with us naman. Ano yung integral ng x to the fourth dx? Okay, that's correct. So, we have, ano, Sir IJ? We have x to the fifth all over 5. That's correct, guys. Ang gagaling nyo talaga, mga idol. Minus, the integral of 3x is 3x squared over 2 plus the constant c. Okay? Oh, guys, nakita ko naman yung mga comment nyo. Hindi ko lang na-mention yung pangalan nyo. Huwag na kayo mag-away-away. Basta alam nyo sa sarili nyo na you're participating actively. So, basically, you're just doing, kumbaga, the way na nagpa-participate kayo means talagang alam nyo yung topic or diba at least somehow you're learning the process. Okay? So guys, so anong LCD nito? Anyone from our live audience? So ito guys, buburahin ko na to Burahin ko na to. Dapat alalahanin nyo yung ano natin, form Pag ito nakalimutan nyo, naku, lagot na kayo kay sir. Sa mga prof nyo. Okay, that's correct. Uy, may nag-send ng ano, gift. Tama ba? Hindi ko napansin, sorry. Okay, so ang gagawin natin, that is yung LCD natin, Sir IJ, ay 10. Okay? So, multiplying both sides by 10. So, that's correct, 10 po. Si Che, tsaka si Kevin Pink, sorry. Sila yung mga nabasa ko lang. So, that will be 10xy. Lagay natin sa left side, guys, So, we have 10xy equals 10 divided by 5. So, that's 2 times x to the 5th. So, we have 2x to the 5th. 10 divided by 2. Thank you so much, Keira, for the gift. Ay, thank you, engineer. Napo. Bait talaga. Muha. 10 divided by 2, so that's 5 times 3. That's 15x squared plus 10c, that is still a constant. Okay? Yes, kami po si B1 at B2. Thank you so much, Escobelov, for the rose. Guys, 10 times c is constant, right? Do you agree po? Hindi, walang magaling sa amin ni Sir B, ni JR Gagi. Tropa ko yun, guys. Wag nyo kami pag-compare. Basta para sa akin, we're just the same in terms of our, we're just the same in terms of our aim to teach every one of you. Thank you, Kiseki and Keira, for the gift. Momo. So, ano mangyari dyan, Sir IJ? So, anong gagawin natin yan? Ang gagawin natin is make sure na kapag ina-express explicitly, kunyari in terms of y lang, so pwede mo siyang i-divide both sides by x. Pwede mo siyang gawin na 10y, so pwede mong gawin ganito, guys, kasi minsan yung mga professors likes the answer in terms of y lang, pwede namang may multiplier yung y, okay lang yan. So 2x to the 5th, that's 2x to the 4th, minus 15x plus c over x. So the answers can be this one or this one. Okay? Mas malupit si Sir Man. Shoutout sa'yo, idol. Sino to? Si user 8781. Shoutout kay Sir Armenion. Yan, si Sir Armenion. Ano yan? Tropa pips natin. May picture tayo niya ni Lodi. Thank you kay for the gift. Bait naman. Bigyan natin ng book. Hindi, joke lang. Di na need i-divide by 10, lads. Hindi, actually, hindi na rin naman natin, pwede nyo namang i-divide by 10. So, ang sinasabi ko lang naman, since, di ba, kinuha na nga natin yung LCD, i-multiply natin both sides by 10. Kumbaga, ang in-eliminate lang ni Sir IJ is yung x. Pero, if gusto mong i-divide by 10, it's okay. So, kumbaga, pwedeng ito na lang yung sagot mo, tapos i-divide mo na lang to by x. Okay, so ito, pwede to. So this one is okay. So this is okay guys ha. Lagyan natin ng asterisk yung mga okay. This is also okay. And yung sinasabi ni Idol na divide by 10, so pwedeng ang sagot mo is, divide mo na lang to by x, so that's x to the 4th over 5 minus 3x over 2 plus c over x. So okay din yung sagot na yan. Either of the three. Yes, ipopost ko later, Chai, for my YouTube channel. Yes, first order differential equation po. So either of the three guys, it can be this answer, or this answer. Anything you want. That must be correct. Hindi ko alam, may nag-send lang sa akin anonymous, pinasagutan. Kaya yun guys. Kasi, ewan ko, may nag-send lang sa akin actually, dami account yung nag-send sa akin ito kanina. Wala akong maisip na ila-live pa kasi nabusy ako kanina when it comes to my silver play button, tas may pinaghahandaan ko yung interview ko tomorrow. So ayun, may nag-send lang sa akin. Sabi ko, sagutan ko na lang, hindi ko alam na exam pala. Pero okay lang, natapos na rin naman yung exam. Thank you Kira for the finger heart. Bait naman. Muama Lodi. Bait yan, Engineer Kira. Para sa yan, presidente. YouTube channel ko is Isaiah James Maling po. My name in TikTok is my YouTube channel as well. Okay guys, can we now proceed to the next problem? Okay na tayo dito sa first. Naintindihan po ba? Screenshot nyo guys if you want. So ito yung mga possible answers. Ito rin pwede to. Sige guys, screenshot if gusto nyo po. So that we can proceed to the second problem, which is I think a homogeneous differential equation. Good luck sa midterms mo, Che. Or Chai ba, tama? Kay Charlie Nuki. Sir, yung approach kahit di na divide by 10, yes, pwede yun, pwede Idol. So ito na lang Idol, if nandito ka na sa point na to, pwedeng i-divide mo na agad diretso by x. So ito na yung kakalabasan niya Idol. Okay. If hindi mo na i-divide. Manunod ka po ng ICEP National. Saan ba gaganapin? If ever na pwede naman, okay. Walang problema. Actually, kinukuha nga din ako speaker. Ewan ko kung totoo yun. Speaker ng Nationals. Pero ayun, tingnan na lang natin. Hindi ko alam eh. RMW, Regional Math Wizard. So I think you have to prepare dun sa mga problems na kailangan master mo lahat ng math. Basic hanggang differential equations, advanced math, Laplace, Fourier, complex numbers. So dapat gamay mo, tas mabilis ka talaga mag-solve. Kumbaga yan yung pinaka naging sandata ko dati when I was in my college years. Normal yan, madali yung example, balagbag yung exam. Normal yan sa engineering. So kumbaga guys, kung hindi pa kayo used to that, so siguro mako-culture shock kayo. Pero naalala ko nung first exam namin sa calculus, sobrang dali nung exam namin, mga exercises. Tapos nung exam mo, yung isang item lang, isang buong papel, calculus yan na differential calculus. Kaya ayun, sabi ko, ay ganito pala sa engineering. Second year Laplace. So may Laplace na ba second year? Thank you Kaya. Thank you for that info. But andali kapag ikaw nagtuturo, sir. Okay, sige, game. Number 2, we will now proceed. Thank you so much, Nick, for that comment, Idol. Thank you, really appreciate. Okay, for number 2, x squared plus y squared dx minus xy dy equals 0. Okay guys, so for this one, what type of differential equation is this? Thank you so much, Soul Plays RBLX. Second year po kasi. Okay, kaya pala. Good luck sa'yo, Kiseki. What type of differential equation is this, guys? What type of DA? This one. Ano guys? Okay, that's correct. So good job po. That's homogeneous. Ang gagaling ng mga Lodi cakes natin. Okay, that is a homogeneous differential equation. Uy, thank you basta number 2 for the gift, Idol. So that is a homogeneous differential equation kasi yung degree natin ay 2. Sir IJ, how do we determine po ba yung degree ng isang expression? So the degree of the expression is the highest exponent. Okay? So tingnan natin yung sa m natin. Ito kasi m dx plus n dy equals 0. So ang degree natin is, kunyari dito sa term na to, ang degree niya ay 2, highest exponent dito 2. So automatically degree nito is 2. Sir IJ, how come na naging degree nito is 2? So, we will just add the exponents. Kumbaga, xy is also equivalent to x raised to 1 multiplied by y raised to 1. So, just add the exponents. That will be the degree of the differential equation. Okay? Good luck sa'yo, Hanel, sabi ni Idol Kiseki. Okay? Thank you so much, Kiseki, for the coffee. So, kaya naging same degree sila. So, it follows that the given differential equation is a homogeneous one. Okay? Okay, so wala tayong problema. Okay, correct, Chai. Thank you so much, Sir Pablo, for the power hug. So, tingnan natin anong gagamitin nating substitution. So, we have two magic substitution that can be either x equals vy or y equals vx. However, we will depend on the complexity of the differential equation based on the terms. So, ito, dalawa yung term. Kasi meron tayong x squared and y squared. Notice that this is just a product of x and y. So, that means that this one is simpler. Lagyan natin, guys, para may guide kayo. So, this is much simpler, Sir IJ, compared to the other. So, kung simpler yan, tingnan mo ano ba yung nakalagay sa kanya. dy. So, ang gagamitin mo is y equals dx. So, use y equals dx. Much simpler kasi siya. Okay, yes, that's correct. Mas konti kasi yung sa dy. Kumbaga dito, dalawa kasi, dalawang expression. Kumbaga, dalawang terms yan, mga Lodi Cakes. Dito, it's just a product. So, mas simpler siya. Mas madali siyang gamitin. Anong topic nandito? Homo tsaka linear idol. So, we have y equals vx. So, it follows that dy applying the product rule equals v dx plus x dv. Okay? Simula first year, nanonood ako sa'yo, Sir IJ. Congrats sa'yo, James Brian _R. Thank you, Idol. Napaka-supportive naman. So, substitute na natin, mga Lodi Cakes. Ito lang naman yung kailangan natin. So, we have x squared plus, since y equals vx, so magiging v squared x squared yan. Baka nalito, guys, nirekta na ni Sir IJ, ha? dx minus x multiplied by vx multiplied by v dx plus x dv equals 0. Actually, talagang nakakabaliw ang homogeneous. I mean, mabilis na kwentuhan lang. Ito yung pinaka nakakabaliw in terms of the first order because of the long, kumbaga, in terms of the process itself, it's the longest for me, I think. Pero sa tingin ko, ang isa pang longest yung coefficient linear into variables, yung kapag intersecting siya. Super haba. Ewan ko, guys, dun sa mga nagdi-DE ngayon, nagde-take ng differential equations, sa tingin ko mahaba yung isa kasi kukunin mo yung intersection, gagawin mong x equals u plus h, tapos, di ba, diretso ka na naman ng homo. Di ba? Nakakaduling, literal. Yung homo nakakaduling, paano pa kaya yung coefficient linear into variables? Paano pa pag nagkamali yung intersection na nakuha mo? In terms, di ba? Oo, madali lang. Madali lang naman siya, Lodi Cakes, Neil. Kumbaga, in terms of process, di ba, kailangan careful ka lang. You have to be careful enough. Ayan, tama si Idol. Coefficient linear super haba. Especially intersecting equations. So, anong gagawin natin dito, guys? Anong pwede natin i-cancel? Shoutout kay Dimen. What do you think we can cancel or we can divide both sides of the equation? This is x squared, this is x squared, and this is also x squared. Okay, that's correct, RJ and Maxine. So, we can divide both sides of the equation by x squared, or that is just multiply by 1 over x squared. Thank you, Kira, for the chocolate. Napakatamis niyan. Tamis mo naman. So, we have 1 plus v squared dx. So, x times x, so we can cancel out. So, that will just become v multiplied by v dx plus x. Ay, good luck sa mga may midterms this week, guys, ha? Good luck sa mga may midterms po this week. So, combine natin yung may dalawang dx. So, v squared dx. So, magiging ano yan, Sir IJ? So, we have 1 plus v squared for this part. This is also dx. So, that will be minus v squared dx minus vx dv equals 0. Okay? Okay na nakatres dyan. O nga, Lodi Cakes eh. So, we have dx minus vx dv equals 0. And the equation, good luck sa'yo, Glenn, sa reporting nyo, Lodi Cakes. Galingan mo, ha? Divide both sides by x so that we can have a variable separable. So this will now be transformed as, so multiply both sides by 1 over x to make sure that the variables are separated properly. Dx kasama si x, dv kasama si v. So we have dx over x minus v dv equals 0. Guys, tama po ba? Nakakasunod pa po ba mga Lodi Geeks? Are you still with Sir IJ? Sige, just let me know if may questions po kayo. Guys, are you still coping up or are you still catching up mga Lodi Geeks? Okay. Siguro pwede naman nating, siguro, kung masagutan man natin agad lahat, if ever, siguro pwede naman tayo maghanap ng ibang questions pa. Siguro kahit 2 to 3 questions after this set. Okay, so anong mangyayari? Anong derivative nito? Or sorry, the integral, Sir IJ? So that will be ln of x minus v squared over 2 equals the constant c. Yes, homogeneous po, Lodi Geeks. Okay? So, multiplying both sides of the equation by 2. So, you are left with 2 ln x minus v squared equals 2 times c is still a constant. However, kailangan ibalik natin si v. Huwag po natin kakalimutan yun, ha? Sinisipag yan. Hindi naman. Ngayon lang kasi 5 days ako di nakapag-live. Medyo masama ang pakaramdam ko ng mga nakaraang araw. So from this, we notice that v equals y over x. So we have 2 ln of x minus y over x squared equals c. So the denominator becomes x squared. So multiply both sides by x squared. So that is 2x squared ln of x minus y squared equals cx squared, which is now our final answer. Okay? Dahil sa'yo mataas grade ko. Uy, shoutout kay Skylark. Nakakatuwa naman. Actually, may nag-message sa akin kanina na nag-exam daw sila ng differential equations. Ang topic yata variable, separable, tsaka homogeneous. Ay, na-perfect niya. Sabi niya sa akin, may mga nakuha daw dun sa mga tutorials natin. So, I'm very grateful naman and sobrang nakakatuwa na yan, may mga natutulungan talaga tayo all over our previous differential equation videos. And yan guys, just go pa, practice lang ng practice. Thank you so much mga Lodi Geeks. Yes, meron din ako ni Zuko sa channel ko, idol. Thank you Kira for the 3 fire, napakadami. Thank you din sa'yo Feruze, no problem Lodi Geeks. As much as possible, kung kaya ko naman, I can help. Sige, screenshot Lodi Geeks. Go, take your time. Shoutout kay Kurt Lianza. Question po, kailan lang tinatanggal si LN? Yung LN tinatanggal lang kapag Lodi Geeks, depende kung puro LN. Pero pwede mo rin naman gawing LN yan. So kung ako tatanungin, dapat yung professor nyo knowledgeable enough when it comes to simplifying those natural logarithms. SB ka na. Kaya na nag-Starbucks na ako, Lodi. Thank you so much, Shop for 1. Thank you, idol. No problem. Paano nga ulit malalaman kapag homogeneous? Kapag same degree, idol. Okay? Anong sinend mo, Dior? Sorry, hindi ko na maalala, idol. May Bernoulli, idol, CP, wala. Pero you can check Lodi Geeks yung previous live natin. Okay. Midterm na namin sa DE sa 25. Good luck sa'yo, idol. Okay. Can we now proceed to the third problem? Na-screenshot mo na ba, Kiseki, idol? Na-screenshot mo na ba? Shoutout sa'yo, Sai. Shoutout kay Cyril_GM. Hello, idol. Okay. Hindi po ako nagtuturo ng defo, idol eh. Sorry. Kapag variable separable, lahat ng mga x masasama mo kay dx. Lahat ng mga y sasama mo kay dy. So ganito lang naman yun guys. If you can't identify what type of first order differential equation it is, so you can first check. Try mo ng variable separable. Kung hindi, check mo yung degree, mag-homo ka. Hindi. Try mo yung linear, hindi. Try mo yung exact, hindi. So, kapag ganun yung lumabas, try mo na yung sa non-exact. Like, by inspection, determination of integrating factors, o kaya yung homogeneous leading to exact. Depende, kasi sobrang dami niyan, guys. Kumbaga, as advised by Sir IJ, mas much as possible, naging y equals vx shop for 1 kasi, mas simple po, Lodi Geeks yun nandito. xy, dy, isang term lang po siya. Shop for 1, dito po dalawa. So yun guys, kailangan try nyo lang yung ano, per cases. Pero kasi ako dati, kumbaga, nakikita ko na agad kung anong klase ng differential equation siya. Shoutout sa mga taga-UC, Kalanawa mo, Lodi Gate. Shoutout sa inyo, good luck sa mga may midterms this week. Kung pwede ko lang sanang i-share yung brain cells nyo, di ba, habang yung brain cells ko habang nagtitake kayo ng midterms. Yes, nag-RF instructor ako dati, pero matagal na yun, Lodi. Medyo matagal na eh. Engineer technique naman dyan, pag manipulation. Actually, it's a matter of, ang daming actually, no? Kumbaga, yung placement kasi ng C, depende sa inyo yun, guys, eh. Pero as much as possible, dun sa kanan, kung nasan yung zero na ini-integrate natin. Kumbaga, sanayan lang yan, eh. It's a matter of familiarization and in terms of the number of items na nasolve natin. The more problems, the merrier. And mas alam natin paano i-isolate or gagamitin yung constant, kailan tayo mag-ln, kailan na constant lang, etc. Okay? Sir IJ, goods ba pag magpapa-exam hindi sasabihin kung linear ba? Hindi. Normally kapag in terms of differential equations, the type of differential equation will not be stated. Especially when you are dealing with midterm exam or quizzes. So kailangan ma-identify nyo yun by your own. Ayun, yun yung pinakakailangan nyo, Lodi Cakes. Strength of materials, meron din naman kami yan, idol. Okay, we will now proceed to the third item, which is I think a very easy one. This is very easy, Lodi Cakes. Number 3, so we have x squared y prime minus 2xy equals x to the 4th plus 3. Okay? But na 0 ka, Yushiko. Next time, perfect na yan, Lodi Cakes. Gagamitin to answer din ni Mama Lee kasi exact DE. Ayan. Yes, matik to Banayad Whiskey. Upload ko sa channel ko mamayang umaga. Okay? So, anong gagawin natin, guys? So, first step, Sir IJ. Yes, that's correct, idol. Change y prime to dy over dx. Anong SM, idol, art? What do you mean by SM? So, we have x squared dy over dx minus 2xy equals x to the 4th plus 3. Okay. Buti na lang, nakakatuwa yung mga ganong prof. Like, sinasabi nila anong type ng DE. Yun, kumbaga ma-appreciate mo talaga sila. Pero, bilang training sa inyo as engineering student, dapat matuto rin kayo na maging independent on your own. Like, kaya mong i-identify anong klaseng differential equation siya. Okay, so anong gagawin natin dito, guys? Sorry, hinarangan ko yung given. What is the first thing that we will do with this? Anyone? Okay. Mandali lang naman ang equation ng circle mo. Shoutout kay BeatsZ92508. Okay, that's correct. Ang libro ni Sir IJ is ito po. Ito po yung gamit ni Sir IJ for reference of everyone. Yes, that's correct, Maxine. Ayan guys Zino-zoom in ko na sa camera. Napasolve pa daw siya. Ayan po yung gamit natin, mga idolo. Okay. So, divide by x squared. That's correct, si Maxine. Napaka-active din ni Maxine. Napakatalino ng batang yan. Future engineer talaga yan si Lodi Cakes Maxine. So, multiplying both sides by 1 over x squared, which will yield us, that's correct, Kaito. So, dy over dx minus 2x over x squared. So, we are left with 2 over x. Y equals x squared plus 3 over x squared. Yan, paturo kayo kay Maxine. Naku, Lodi Cakes yan. Malakas yan si Eyeball. Ayan. Guys, tama po ba ang transformation ni Sir IJ? Sige guys, pakiklaro muna if are we correct when it comes to our transformation sa isang linear differential equation na form. Shoutout sa'yo, Jeyus. Uy, shoutout kay Idol. Youngblood, X11 Jeyus. Okay, sige. So, wala namang violent reaction. So, we can proceed with the next process. So, this is linear in y, dy over dx. So, we can perfectly identify what is our p of x and what is our q of x. So, we have p of x, yung coefficient ni y, so that is negative 2 over x. In which, ito naman yung mismong natin, q of x. Okay, that's correct, Firuze. So, we have now, so recall natin yung formula or the general solution of a linear differential equation. So, y multiplied by if, Tuwing kailan ba ito nagiging x, Sir IJ? Kapag linear naman siya sa x, dx over dy. However, kasi yung mga problems natin are more linear in y, so dy over dx yung ginagamit natin, kaya yung multiplier natin ay y. Sige, Lodikix, if makakapag-antay ka beat C92508, sagutan ni Sir IJ yung question mo. So, antayin mo lang matapos ko yung 5 problems. Okay lang ba, Lodikix? Sagutan natin yung equation ng conic section mo. Pero isa lang yan ha, pagbibigyan lang kita isa. Kasi yung iba syempre, ayoko naman na mag-spoon feeding malala. So, hindi ko tinotolerate yung ganun. So, y times if equals the integral of q of x if dx. Okay? Shoutout kay Jojo Gummy Bear, Lodigix. Galingan mo, idol. I'm hoping you all the best. So, we have y multiplied by if. Kaya lang pala wala pa tayong if, sorry. We have to identify first the integrating factor. Okay. Shoutout kay Melo _ Sarabia, kay Engineer Claiborne na magbibigay ng corgi. Hindi, joke lang, idol. Yan guys, sa mga electrical engineering natin dyan na courses, follow nyo yan sa Engineer Claiborne, si Vin Raggi, ayan, mga Lodigeeks natin sa EE. So, yung integrating factor natin will be e raised to the integral of p of x dx. So, the p of x here is negative 2 over x. Negative 2 over x, which is e raised to negative 2 ln of x. Yes, if muna mga Lodigeeks. That's correct. So, we have, kumbaga, lagay ka ng isang side to determine your integrating factor. So, that will be e raised to ln of x raised to negative 2. Cancel out the e and the ln. That is x raised to negative 2. Galingan mo, idol. Makakapasa ka talaga dyan kay jtagbar.org since 2019. O, ito na if, guys. Tama po ba? May violent reactions po ba? For electrical engineering, the suggested calculator is FX570ES Plus, second edition. Transparent yung casing. Thank you so much, Engineer Claiborne, for the gift, idol. Salamat, Lodigeeks. So, we have right now. So, ano bang meron na tayo ngayon, Sir IJ? The integrating factor. So, y multiplied by x raised to negative 2 equals the integral. So, the indefinite integral of x squared plus 3 over x squared multiplied by x raised to negative 2 dx. Okay? For civil engineering, yung 789 SGA ni Canon. Yun yung normal na ginagamit. Okay, so anong gagawin natin, Sir IJ? Simplify natin yung right side. So we have y multiplied by x raised to negative 2 equals the integral of x squared times x raised to negative 2. Guys, anong value nito, guys? Paki-times nga po, x squared times x raised to negative 2 sa mga focus dyan. Okay, that's correct, John Denver Alulod. Yes, 789 SGA for civil Lodigeeks. 1 plus, anong product nito, guys? Nitong dalawa. Correct, Gemomochi Engineer BLTD. Anong product nitong 3 over x squared tsaka x raised to negative 2? Anyone from our live audience? Is it 3 na lang? Hindi po. Grizzle Diesel. Makareless si Idol. Gemomochi, not x to the 4th. Hindi po siya 3, guys. Huwag po malilito. Patay tayo dyan. Yung number 2 mo kanina, Idol. Okay, that's correct. Kay Sine Tatan, that is 3x raised to negative 4. Or that is 3 over x to the 4th. Guys, ito po gagawin yung x raised to negative 2, ha. Thank you, Engineer Claiborne, for the TikTok, ha. X raised to negative 2, ito kapag inangat. So, kapag minultiply, we will just add the exponents. Okay? Or that is 3 over x to the 4th. That's just the same. Okay? Guys, naintindihan po ba? Are we all clear on this part? Mga Lodicakes, naintindihan po ba bakit ganito? Klaro po ba? Yes, Papi. Thank you, Papi. YouTube channel, yes, Idol. Isaiah James Maling, Lodicakes, yung YouTube channel natin. Kanina nga nakuha na natin yung silver play button. Ayun, sobrang solid. Sarap pala makatanggap nun. Kumbaga, it's a very overwhelming experience kasi once in a lifetime. Bihira yung ganong experience eh. So, yun. Thank you sa mga Lodicakes natin. Okay, gold. Hindi ko alam, idol, kung aabot pa tayo ng 1 million eh. Basta ang mahalaga, let's just be grateful for every opportunity na binibigay sa atin. So, ano yung integral nito ng dx natin? Okay, good. Thank you, Idol Crollo 1425 ah. So, we have y, x raised to negative 2. Ano yung integral ng dx? Okay, that's correct, x. Okay? Last, ano yung integral nito, mga idol? 3x raised to negative 4. Thank you, engineer, for the greeting kay Tuto Bone. Hello, idol. What is the integral? Thank you sa'yo, engineer, Tuto Bone. Lodi guys ka talaga. Ano yung integral nito, guys? So, gamit tayo ng power rule para makita na lang ng lahat. So, that is plus 3x raised to negative 4 plus 1 all over negative 4 plus 1 plus c. Okay? Yan, mali yung exponent mo, idol. Try mo ulit, Lodi Cakes. Okay lang, sige. Okay lang naman magkamali dito. Okay, screenshot. Burahin ko lang to guys ha. Itong nandito sa left. Burahin ko lang. Don't worry, re-replay naman yan sa YouTube channel ko bukas. Ayan. Anong topic po ito? Linear po, tsaka homo. So, ano na mangyari, Sir IJ? So, simplify natin. So, we have yx raised to negative 2 equals x negative 4 plus 1, that is negative 3. So, 3 divided by negative 3, so that's negative 1. So, minus x. Negative 4 plus 1, that's negative 3 plus c. Okay, guys, how do we eliminate the x raised to negative 2? How do we eliminate this one, yung x raised to negative 2, guys? Can you give me an idea? Can you give Sir IJ an idea? How do we eliminate x raised to negative 2? Okay, that's correct. Jemo Mochi and Jason Carranza. That is correct. Multiply both sides by x squared. So, gawin natin, Sir IJ. Multiply po natin siya, Sir IJ, by x squared. Okay? Pwede ring divide by x raised to negative 2 or multiply by x squared. So, we have y equals x times x squared. So, you have x cubed minus x raised to negative 3 multiplied by x squared. So, that is negative 3 plus 2, negative 1 plus c x squared. Or, if gusto nating isimplify using positive exponent, y equals x cubed minus 1 over x plus c x squared. Ito na po yung tamang sagot. Thank you, Peng D, for the finger heart. Thank you so much po. Have faith. Thank you. Guys, tama po ba yung sagot natin? Ito po yung nilagyan ni Sir IJ ng asterisk. Ito po. Do you agree po ba sa sagot ko, mga Lodi Geeks? Thank you po, Teacher Jeremy, for the finger heart. Thank you so much, ala. O nga pala, may nilagay pala akong live goal 88. Pero okay lang yan, guys. Kung di man natin ma-reach, it's okay. But hindi po 3x raised to negative 3. Idol kasi over negative 3 pa siya, ting. This is negative 3, ting, idol. So, this is negative 3. Divide po mo natin. Uy, thank you so much kay Sir Abs Kasim for the gift. Thank you so much, Lodi Cakes. Ito yung ting, baka nalito ka lang po. Yung binilugan ni Sir IJ, dinivide lang po, kaya siya naging negative 1 na lang. I hope that clears up your mind, Lodi Cakes. Thank you, Daniela, for the rose. Thank you, idol. Okay? Klaro na po ba yung number 3 para makapag-proceed na tayo sa number 4? Thank you din. Good night sa'yo. Sinitatan. Pwede na po bang maka-proceed sa question number 4? Kailan po gagamitin ng IF? Gagamitin yan kapag linear, idol. Normally linear siya, tapos meron pang iba. Depende kapag non-exact kasi. So maraming cases siya. To be honest. Okay? Thank you, Sir Abs Kasim, for the finger heart. Salamat po talaga. Although kahit di man natin ma-reach yung 88 na finger heart na yun. Ewan ko bakit ganyan yung nasetup. Pero still grateful to everyone. Especially those watching our live tutorial. Guys, pwede na ba tayo number 4? Sige, comment nga po if pwede na. Pwede na ba Olympia, wag kang aasa sa ganun, idol. Programmable masyado yun eh. Sir, sinong kachat mo? Bakit ganun? Tinatanong, no? Sinong kachat ko? Loko to, ah. Okay, game number 4 na tayo, guys. Depende, kay shoutout kay Michael na nagtatanong ng importance ng D. Actually, kung ako tatanungin, kung ako tatanungin yung mga Lodi Geeks, importante yung D kasi sa ibang mga firms, ginagamit yung differential equation. Sobrang dami ng application yan. Pero kung hindi ka naman pupunta sa ganong klase ng firm, so siguro kailangan mo lang talagang ipasa yung subject, di ba? So, at least, mahalaga, may naintindihan ka when it comes to that course. Thank you, Kira, for the heart. Ano ba yung binigay ni Aid? Ano yun? Hindi ko na napansin. Pero thank you so much, Engineer Kira. Pakabait. Buha. Okay, number 4. Let's go. Ito guys, another case. So this is the second case of the linear differential equation. So we have y dx minus 4x dy equals y to the 6 dy. Okay. So ano yung una nating gagawin? Saan natin siya i-divide? Anyone from our live audience? To what expression will we divide both sides of the equation? Si yung Bitsy nagtanong, di pagkatapos ng number 5, sagutan ko yung tanong mo. Don't worry. Pagbibigyan ka ni Sir IJ. Maliban na lang kung tulog ka na, GG. Okay, divide by dx ba? Hindi, dy. To be exact, it's y dy. Kasi di ba kailangan natin matanggal yung kumbaga dx over dy lang siya. So pwede natin gawin, Sir IJ, 1 over y dy. Okay. Di po ba kayo naubusan? Hindi loading Never naman ako naubusan ng brain cells. Kumbaga, siguro guys, sige, 1 minute na na commercial. Kasi nung time na nagtitake ako ng mga quizzes sa differential equation, ang ginagawa ko guys, bigyan ko kayo ng idea paano magsagot si Sir IJ ng mga quiz sa differential equation or even major exams, midterm, finals. Ang ginagawa ko talaga, siguro first 2 to 3 minutes, ini-scan ko muna yung given. And then, what I will try to do is, unahin ko yung mga madadaling questions. Tapos yun, kailangan ko lang naman na makapag-solve ako ng isa. Kakalma na ako nun kasi syempre, first start, parang kakabahan ka pa eh. So, kakabahan talaga ako nun. So, ang ginagawa ko, hanap ako ng madali. Tapos kapag nakuha ko na yung groove ko, tuloy-tuloy na yun. So, sana ganun din yung gawin nyo guys. Try to scan first the questions and then start with the easy one so that you will get easy points. Okay. 1B1 engineer. Walang problema dyan. Okay, so ano nang gagawin natin? So, we will have dx. So, yun lang naman. Start with the easy problems whenever you are taking exams or quizzes. Minus, so we have 4x over y equals, tanggal ng dy, that is equal to y to the 5th. Circuits. Wala na akong reference sa circuits. Guys, tama po ba? Do you agree with this? Thank you for the TikTok, Akira. Guys, tama po ba transformation ni Sir IJ sa 200 plus viewers natin? Am I correct? Okay, thank you. Guys, patap naman ng mga screen yung mga Lodi Kicks, baka may gusto lang na umatin. And maliit na bagay lang, tap lang. Di naman tayo sasayaw na, thanks for the rose, ang bango-bango. So, ano gagawin natin? So, ano yung magiging P of Y natin? Anyone from our live audience? What is our P of Y? Based on the differential equation itself na na-transform natin. Nakakamiss magganyan. Shoutout sa'yo, Sire de Lodi Kids. Ano P of Y natin? Based dun sa form niya. Di ba yung X yung coefficient natin? Sa mas nabutas, oo nga eh. 4 over y. Don't forget Justin Picato yung negative idol Napaka-importante po nung sign na negative. Negative 4 over y. Don't forget the negative sign. Okay? So ano nang gagawin natin, Sir IJ? So ang next natin is, thank you so much Troy San Agustin for the gift. So we have Q of y equals y to the 5th. Okay? So, ano nang gagawin natin, Sir IJ? So, the integrating factor will now be, dahil linear in x yan, so, e raised to the integral of p of y dy. So, that is equivalent to e raised to integral ng negative 4 over y dy. Yes, pwede siya maging dx over dy, engineer. Kumbaga, it will be linear in x na, dx over dy. Kaya hindi pwedeng masanay ka lang na puro y. Paano kung maging linear na siya sa ibang variable? Okay? Thank you. Nagets naman pala ni Idol. Ano integral nito, guys? Anyone? What is the integral of negative 4 over y? Sino makakasagot? Lodi Geeks. Sa mga active. And subscribe din pala kayo kala Engineer Prof. PH, kala Sir UJ. Uy, nandito pa sila Maxine. Idol, kakapanood ko lang ng YT mo sa related rates. Thank you so much. Uy, meron din akong live niyan, Idol. Pwede mo panoorin. Negative 4 ln ng y. That's correct. Dami yung sumagot ng negative 4 ln ng y, ha? Mga idolo. So, we have e raised to ln ng y raised to negative 4. Cancel outs the e and the ln. So, that is na y raised to negative 4. Tama ba, guys? Agree po ba kayo? So, dahil linear in x yan, so ang magiging solution natin, the general solution will be x multiplied by if equals the integral of q of, ano to mga Lodi Cakes? Q of y if dy. Okay? Yes, Lodi Cakes. Pwede pong gawin. So, that is x multiplied by y raised to negative 4 equals the integral of q of y is y to the 5th power multiplied by y raised to negative 4 dy. So, what is left is xy raised to negative 4. 5 minus 4, mga Lodi, that's positive 1. So, that's just simply the integral of y dy, Sir IJ. So, integrating basic power rule. So, magiging ano siya, xy raised to negative 4 equals y squared over 2 plus the constant c. So, multiplying both sides of the equation by 2y to the 4th para mag-get rid natin yung y. So, anong lalabas, guys? O kaya, sige, kung gusto nyo in terms of x na lang, okay lang din. Pero kasi tinatanggal ko yung mga denominator, kumbaga trip ko lang. So, that is now 2x equals y squared times y to the 4th. So, that's y to the 6 plus 2 times c, that's constant, c, y to the 4th. Kung gusto nyo naman na walang x, so okay lang din. So, pwede naman gawin siya, ay na walang y. Pwede naman siya na ganito yung sagot nyo, x equals y to the 6 over 2 plus cy raised to the 4th. Pwede rin to, guys. It's either of the two. Tama ba, guys? Parehas lang naman yan, di ba? Do you agree with Sir IJ? Agree po ba kayo na ito is also the same as this one? Agree po ba mga idolo? Kasi ang c over 2 is still a constant. Okay po? Yes, good job. Naintindihan ba, guys? Okay, maliwanag? Okay. Ano po? Y raised to negative 4. Yes, y raised to negative 4 siya, idol. Tapos minultiply ko by y to the 4th. Yummy. Kasi para ma-eliminate natin yung y raised to negative 4. Sa totoo lang, guys, ito sa mga nagtatanong, sa mga estudyante ng differential equations, kapag ginawa nyo tong silang, mali ito. Kasi may multiplier kang algebraic expression eh. Kasi ito ang kinakatakot ko. Ang kinakatakot ni Sir IJ, baka mali kasi yung tinuro sa inyo ng mga professor nyo. Kumbaga, hindi naman totaling lahat. Siguro some of your professors, baka tinuro na kunyari, mag-multiply ka ng y to the 4th by c, that is a constant. That is very wrong. Thank you, Cheer, for the gift. Thank you, Idola. That is very wrong. Napaka-wrong nun. Ito, gagawin mo lang c, maling-mali. That is basically an incorrect approach. Mga 10:30 po ako nag-start na mag-live sa idol natin. Yun guys, wag po kayong magpalin lang sa mga mali. So if hindi kayo sure, magtanong po kayo. Napaka-importante marunong tayo magtanong. Mali yung laging plus silang idol. Patay tayo dyan sa ganyang ano. Maniwala ko kay Sir IJ. Legit. Yes, 10:30 idol, 10:30 PM. Okay, down to our final problem. Mga idol, nandiyan pa ba yung ano nagtatanong ng pre-cal? Yung circle ba yun? Sagutan sana natin. Babalik na lang. Oh, sayang yung points nun sa board. Indian standards, grabe. Sa reinforce. Daming mga CE dito. Yan, si K, CE din yan. Si Engineer K. Ang dami. Grabe, thank you po, IE student. And good luck sa B differential equations exam mo, Venice Budol Fines. Solid mensuration. Sige, idol. Bigyan mo ako ng ano, mga problem sa solid mensuration. Sagutan natin. Okay, game. Next, number 5. Burahin ko na to. Ba't may napuntang Indian standards mo? Samantalang mga Pilipino tayo. Application. Pwede naman idol. Susunod. Okay, kailangan ko lang tubig. I just need. Thank you Christian for the ano. For the rose. Thank you Lodi Gits. Sige, hanap tayo susunod, Gemomochi. Or if may problems ka ng decay and growth, pwede mong i-refer kay Sir IJ. So, yun lang guys. Kung gusto nyo na ano, pwede naman nating i-live yung mga problems na hindi nyo sure sagutan, especially for math concerns. So, Sir IJ is here naman para matulungan kayo. Okay? So, number 5. Sige, number 5 tayo guys. So, number 5. So, saan natin to i-divide mga idol? Yung number 2 lang homo, lahat linear na gap. Guys, saan natin i-divide tong 5? Anyone? So, tingin nyo? Sa dy. Okay, correct. Pwede mo namang isama na yung y, idol. Yes, engineering po, Lodi Gigs. So, pwede naman natin siyang gawin. Sige, copy muna natin y dx plus 2x plus 1 minus xy dy equals 0. Hello, sobrang laking tulong po sa akin ng videos nyo. Palagi po ako nanonood sa YouTube channel. Uy, thank you so much, Chucky, kay Angry Bird. Thank you, idol, sa panunod mo sa YouTube channel natin. So, divide natin both sides by... Okay, that's correct. So, multiply natin by 1 over y dy. Okay? Ang dami pala mga CE dito. Sobrang dami ng civil engineer. Actually, talagang marami talaga nagtadig ng CE. Sa totoo lang. So, that is dx over dy. Hanapin natin yung merong mga 2x divided by y. So, that's plus 2x over y. Tapos, ito, xy over y. So, anong lalabas dyan mga Lodi Cakes? So, plus 1 over y minus, ano ito mga Lodi Cakes? Minus x equals 0. Guys, agree po ba kayo sa pag-simplify ni Sir IJ? Before tayo mag-proceed, ha? Guys, do you agree? Agree po ba mga idolo? Okay, thank you so much. So, kailangan nating malaman, saan po ba siya linear? Linear siya sa x, di ba? Okay, so kung linear siya sa x, kailangan nating pagsamahin yung mga may x term. So, for this case, notice na meron tayong x dito. Ito, lilipat natin to sa right side. So, ano mangyayari, Sir IJ? Dahan-dahan lang, dx over dy plus, ito, pwede nating i-factor out si x. So, pwede ko siyang gawin na 2 over y minus 1 x. Tama po ba guys? Itong x pinactor out ko lang, kaya nandito siya napunta. So we are left with 2 over y minus 1. Do you agree? Equals negative 1 over y. Shoutout sa nanonood from Zamboanga City. Tama po ba simplify ni Sir IJ? Okay, good job. Anong tanong mo, Dior? I hope na related sa DE siya, Lodi Geeks. Sa tagasan ngayon mga Lodi Geeks, tagasan yung mga nanonood. Sige, shoutout sa mga taga Cebu tsaka taga Zamboanga. Okay, so anong gagawin natin? So, integrating factor equals Hindi, wait. Identify muna natin yung mga P natin, tsaka yung Q. So, P of Y, kasi linear siya sa X, di ba? Sambales, taga Bacolod, taga Laguna, taga Batangas, Cavite, ang daming mga ano. Shoutout sa mga taga Basilan, taga Nueva Ecija, pero nag-aaral sa Baguio. Taga Masbate, shoutout sa inyo, mga Lodi Geeks. Shoutout kay Ken. So, P of Y is 2 over Y minus 1. Tapos, yung Q of Y natin is negative 1 over Y. Thank you kay taga Kamsur, Pampanga, Bulacan. Shoutout sa inyo, Lodi. Sa Jensan, sa Bislig. Okay? Yes, lumalabas po sa board exam. Puro engineering yun nandito, no? Nakakatuwa naman. Nagsama-sama lahat tayo dito, mga engineers. Shoutout sa mga taga Masbate kay Mr. Brian. Uy, from California, wow. Shoutout sa mga taga California. Shoutout sa mga taga STI. Uy, good luck sa exam nyo, Miss. Kay Kyle Rivera. Good luck, Lodi Geeks. So, ano next problem? So, we will identify now the integrating factor. So, the integrating factor is equal to E raised to the integral of P of Y dy. Okay? Plus C agad. Hindi pa, idol. Bakit plus C agad? Problema nga yan. Yan ang problema sa iba kasi hindi nagtuturo ng maayos. I mean, some talaga hindi na naiwasan. Yung iba, puro bibigay lang ng exercise, tas di naman natuturo. So, that is a big problem. Wala lang. Gusto ko lang talaga kapag, kunyari, ako yung prof, dapat, kapag biggest accomplishment ko is matuto talaga kayo. So, anong mangyayari dyan, Sir IJ? So, we have E raised to the integral. Sorry na, okay. Nakaskip kasi. Oh, agree ako kay Aji. Nakaskip nga Lodi Cakes J Reyes, no? So, that is 2 over Y minus 1. Guys, ano yung integral nung nasa taas? Nalinawan na lahat sa plus C. Yun nga, idol. Tapos ka dyan. Okay, that's correct, Firuze. Galing nga, idol. That is E raised to 2 ln ng Y minus 1. Ay, minus Y pala, sorry. It must be minus Y. Okay? So, paano natin ma-determine, Sir IJ, yan? So, how do we determine our integrating factor? How do we simplify this? So, agree po ba kayo, guys? Do you agree with Sir IJ that this can be written as E raised to 2 ln ng Y over E raised to Y? Guys, agree po ba kayo sa akin? Agree po ba? Ginawa ko lang siyang quotient property ng exponents. Solving arbitrary na ko, idol. Super dami na nating example sa arbitrary constant. You can check on my differential equations playlist sa channel ko po. Okay, so anong mangyayari dyan, Sir IJ? Eh di ang gawin natin, simplify pa natin, E raised to ln ng Y squared over E raised to Y. Okay? So ano na mangyayari dyan, Sir IJ? Tama po ba, guys? Ito, magiging Y squared. Ito, pag inangat ko, E raised to negative Y. Pwede mo i-check dispersion sa channel ko, Isaiah James Maling din. Super dami na nating examples. Okay? Tama po ba, guys? Do you agree na ito yung magiging integrating factor natin? Before ko burahin, guys, screenshot nyo nga muna if ever na nagtitake down note po kayo. Okay, thank you so much. At least nag-agree si Jemo tsaka si Gab. Inangat ko lang yung exponent natin, ha? Okay, sige, screenshot nyo, guys. Basta tandaan natin, ito yung integrating factor natin. I will erase this part kasi. Paano po na-cancel? Ano po yun? E raised to ln. So, may mga hindi pa yata nakakaalam. Pero it's okay. We will reiterate. Take note, guys, that E raised to ln ng x is equal to x. Ayan. Maka-cancel po kasi siya. Kumbaga, ito kasi base E yan. Eh, ito E. Kaya na-cancel po siya. Ang matitira na lang yung mismo expression dito. Okay? Bakit po dinivide by y thing? Ano po? Property. Quotient property of exponents. So, just recall thing that a raised to m over a raised to n can be expressed as a raised to m minus n. Ayan, guys. Yan po yung mga important properties. Kailangan gawin nyo yan. You have to make sure na kabisado nyo yung mga fundamentals. Napaka-importante yan when you are dealing with engineering, advanced engineering math like differential equations or the higher ones. Okay? Tandaan nyo to guys ha, ito yung gagamitin natin. Okay, I will erase na. Sa susunod, sige Kyle, mag-higher differential na tayo. Yung may mga mahabang solution. Yung mga method of undetermined coefficient, etc. Super haba na. Burahin ko na to guys ha, i-replay naman. So, y squared e raised to negative y yun ha, tandaan po natin. Napaka-importante kasi talaga ng basic eh. Yung iba kasi nag-engineering pero yung basic nila medyo hindi pa polished. Napaka-importante to polish your fundamentals. Derivatives of inverse trigonometric. Hindi po Lodikix, pwede kang manood kay engineer, tawag mo dito? Engineered math. Naka-live siya kanina. Nagbigay nga ako ng gift sa kay Idol. So, ano yung IF natin? Copyahin ko lang ha. Y squared E raised to negative Y. So, ano na mangyari sir IJ? So, we have X multiplied by the integrating factor equals the integral of Q of Y dy yan, Q of Y dy. Okay? So, ano na mangyari sir IJ? So, X, Y squared E raised to negative Y equals the integral of Q of Y is negative 1 over Y multiplied by the, nawala yung integrating factor. I'm really sorry. So, yung IF natin is ito. So, y squared e raised to negative y dy. Okay? Tama po ba mga Lodi Geeks? Are you still with me? Okay po ba mga Lodi? Makakasunod pa po ba based dun sa ginagawa natin? Napaka-importante kasi sa akin na kahit pa paano, di ba naintindihan nyo naman. Napaka-importante nun. Kung ganun yung professor nyo, love them. Kung hindi, simple as na, sir, bakit po naging ganun? Kasi yung ibang prof, dire-diretso lang eh. Yun yung problema kapag yung prof nyo dire-diretso lang, walang hinto. Tapos, kung tinanong na gets ba, auto-gets na lang. Sir, na gets, kahit di naman talaga. Yun yung mali. Mali yung ganun guys. Pag may tanong, tanong agad. Kaysa yung kayo naman yung mahirapan. Napaka-importante nun. So, simplify po natin yung right side, xy squared e raised to negative y equals the integral of negative y e raised to negative y dy. Relate si Idol, di ba? Yun yung sinasabi ko, Lodi Geeks. Sabihin ng teacher, gets po ba? Auto gets na lang, kahit hindi naman talaga. Okay, anong gagawin natin dito? How do we integrate this one? Are we gonna use integration by parts? Integration by parts po ba? Okay. So, gagamit tayo ng integration by parts. So, anong gagawin natin? So, liate. Okay, so ang gagawin natin is, ano yung let natin? So, we can let u. Anong gusto nyo gamitin? DI or integration by parts? Anyone? Anong gusto nyo gamitin natin? DI po ba tayo? Or integration by parts? What do you want or what do you prefer? Okay, sige, by parts na lang. Wag na tayo mag-DI. Oh, sige, okay lang. IBP na lang tayo, guys. Para baka kasi madali kayo. Okay. By parts na lang. Thank you. Sige, by parts tayo. Burahin ko lang to. So, meron tayo na. So, gamitin natin, Sir IJ. So, liate, algebraic. So, ano relate yun natin? Negative y. So, u equals negative y. Tapos, so ito yung u natin, negative y. Tapos v natin, dv, is e raised to negative y. dy. Ano du natin mga idol? Ano du natin? Anyone? What is du? Sa mga Lodi Geeks natin. Ano du? That is negative. Okay, Jun V. Miku. That's correct. Negative dy. Okay, Maxine, engineer. Thank you so much, mga Lodi. Next, ano yung v natin? Kapag in-integrate natin to guys, saan to equal? Yung e raised to negative y. Saan siya equal? Pag in-integrate natin, di ba may factor yan yung negative 1? Kaya that will now be negative e raised to negative y. Tama po ba si Sir IJ? Ang integral nito is negative e raised to negative y. Do you agree? Guys, agree po ba kayo dito? Wala nagko-comment. Ayan, buti nag-comment naman si Jigs _18. Okay? Okay, thank you. So, we will now proceed with the integration by parts, or IJ. So, that is uv minus the integral of v du. Shoutout sa'yo, Dre. Hello din, Lodi. Engineer Lodi. Engineer lang, salamat for the rose. So, that is uv negative y times negative. So, that is positive now, Sir IJ. Ye raised to negative y minus the integral of v, which is negative d. Ano yung du natin? Negative dy. So, dapat lagyan ng negative. Ang dami namang negative. Ayan, di ba? Thank you, Kay. Thank you so much. Tama ba, guys? Agree po ba kayo dito sa part na to before ako mag-proceed? Malinaw po ba itong in-underline ni Sir IJ? Anong subject po yan ng maiwasan? Shoutout sa mga kabatch ko na magte-take ng ECE boards. Oh, good luck sa mga ECE takers natin this weekend. Okay, so magiging negative times negative. So that will now be positive. So minus the integral of e raised to negative y dy. Okay, kaya lang negative to, lalagyan mo ulit ng negative. So magiging sagot dito will be y e raised to negative y plus e raised to negative y plus c. Guys, agree po ba kayo? Ito po kakalabasan niya. Sige guys, magmuni-muni muna tayo. Agree po ba kayo na ito po yung kalalabasan niya? Sa mga idol natin. Sige guys, absorb muna natin, dahan-dahan lang. Kalma muna Sir IJ. Negative kasi to, kaya nagkaroon ako ng negative sa labas, so naging positive na po siya. Agree, okay, thank you. Jigs, si Dre agree din. Si Luis hindi pa sure. Sabi ni Idol, ano kaya Sir IJ? Okay, agree naman sila Lodi Geeks. So, simplify na po natin. So, ibig sabihin yan, kung agree naman po kayo, so wala tayong problema. So, it follows na ang mangyayari dyan, Sir IJ, is, eto na yan. So, copy natin to. So, we have the xy squared e raised to negative y equals this. So, kung trip nyo na tanggalin itong e raised to negative y, okay lang. So, multiply everything by e raised to y. So, burahin ko na itong nasa top, mga Lodi Geeks. So, ito yung nakuha natin, di ba? Kopihin ko lang ha, para at least gets nyo. So, xy squared e raised to negative y equals ye raised to negative y plus e raised to negative y plus c. Okay? So, anong gagawin natin? Negative yung e raised to y. Saan yung negative, Idol? Which part? Negative eh. Integral niyan, Lodi Geeks, is positive. Tama naman guys, di ba? Guys, may mali po ba? Wala naman, di ba? Ito yung nakuha natin. Okay, so okay naman guys. May questions po ba? Violent reaction? Nasaan na yung mga Lodi Geeks natin? Are you still with me? Last problem na naman tayo guys. So multiply both sides of the equation by e raised to y. So we have xy squared equals y plus 1 plus c e raised to y. Okay na tong sagot na to. If gusto nyo i-divide by y squared, okay lang din. So kung gusto nyo i-divide by y squared, so ang magiging sagot nyo is x equals 1 over y plus 1 over y squared plus c e raised to y over y squared. Ito rin yung pwedeng sagot. Ito rin pwede. Yes, I still with you. Okay guys, naintindihan po ba? Linear in coefficient. Kinilig si Sir. Shoutout sa Lodi Geeks. Yung sa linear siguro try natin ng bukas or sa Wednesday, Idol. I'm not yet sure. Hindi ko pa nga alam kung ano yung topic ko bukas eh. Anyway, sige guys. Paano na-eliminate yung E? Minultiply ko lang by E raised to Y, Dior. Para negative kasi to eh. So, negative to negative. So, multiply mo by positive yung counterpart niya, yung opposite. Ito kasi times ito is 1, kaya nawala. Ito is 1, kaya nawala. Ito naging 1 na lang. Tapos yun, E raised to Y. Okay? Naintindihan? O sige. Nasaan na yung nagtatanong ng pre-cal kanina si Idol? Guys, sana naintindihan yung exercises natin tonight. Burahin ko na to. Anyway, upload ko to sa YouTube channel ko guys, mamayang umaga. Ano ba yung tanong mo, Dior? What's your problem? Sorry, hindi ako naka-ano sa TikTok ngayon eh. Hindi ako naka-online. Gamit ko yung isang account ko. Pang live ko kasi yung mismo. Pwede po ba sa final answer hindi nakasama E raised to Y? Dapat kasama siya RGT 0904 Capybara, dapat kasama po siya. Kapag hindi mo sinama, Idol, mali yun eh. Reality, that is incorrect. YouTube channel ko is Isaiah James Maling Lodi Geeks. So ito yung YouTube channel ko guys sa mga naghahanap. So ito po YouTube channel ko, Isaiah James. Search nyo na lang sa mga channel nyo, sa mga YouTube nyo. Pwede kayo mag-marathon dyan. Anong tanong yan, Dear? Wala akong makita, Idol eh. Nasaan yung nagtatanong kanina ng pre-cal na wala na? Ayun, si Idol. Sige. Pag walang Y prime final answer. Bakit wala namang Y prime? Sige, anong hinahanap dito, Cole? Find the equation of the circle ba? General form yung hinahanap. Pag magaling talaga magturo kahit anong mahirap dumadali. Thank you so much, Erins Villanueva. Good luck sa inyo, RG, bukas. Sige, tulungan na lang muna natin si Cole. Saglit lang, one problem lang naman eh. Diameter endpoints. So, ang problem niya is find the equation of a circle. So, general equation. So, ano lang to guys, commercial lang. Tulungan natin si Idol. Of circle with diameter endpoints. So, kahit ano naman, kaya naman ni Sir IG. Diameter, negative 3, negative 2, and 9, negative 6. Okay. So, ganito yung gagawin mo, Lodi Geeks. Shoutout sa'yo kay BeatsZ92508. So, dahil endpoints and diameter, so let us recall na sa circle, the longest chord is known as the diameter. And it passes through the center. So, ito yung diameter natin. So, since you are given the endpoints, so yung midpoint niyan is the center of the circle. So, paano po ba kukunin yung midpoint, Sir IJ? So, that is simply just the average of the coordinates. So, negative 3 plus 9 over 2, comma, negative 2 plus negative 6 all over 2. So, pag sinimplify natin, that is 3, comma, negative 4. Okay? So, yan yung makukuha mo yung center na, beat Z. So, pag nakuha natin yung center, radius na lang yung kulang natin. So, pwede mong gawin, etong point na to, kunin mo yung distance either of the 2 points. So, you can use this point or you can use this point. So, ito na lang gamitin natin. So, radius is just the distance of the center, x sub 2 minus x sub 1 squared plus, eto, Lodi Geeks, tawag mo dito, y sub 2, negative 4 minus y sub 1 squared. Yan, tulungan na kita, Idol. R equals square root of 6 squared plus negative 2 squared. So that is 6 squared, 36 plus 4. So that is 40. Or pwede mong i-simplify as 2 square root of 10. And then, just use the general form. So we have x minus h squared plus y minus k squared equals r squared. This is the standard form or the center radius form. Kailangan gusto ni Idol ata general eh. Pero okay lang, sige. X minus 3 squared. Ito yan. plus y, negative, negative, so that's plus 4 squared. Ito yung r mo, kapag in-square mo yan, magiging 40. So, ang gagawin natin, that is x squared minus 6x plus 9 plus y squared plus 8y plus 16 equals 40. Simplify mo na lang, idol. X squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 8y minus 15 equals 0. Ito na yung sagot. Screenshot mo na lang, idol. 9 plus 16, 25 minus 40, negative 15. Ayan na yun. 3, negative 4. Okay, tama naman. Tapos, tingnan natin yung distance ito. 12, tapos 4, 144 square root ng 160. That's 4 square root of 10. 2 square root of 10. Tama, okay. Ayan yung sagot. Screenshot mo na lang, Lodi Geeks. Sana natulungan kita, idol. Binisip ni sir. Shoutout kay Ting. Hindi, Lodi, madali lang yan. Super. Mga ano lang yan, parang 1 plus 1 lang ni Sir IJ. Screenshot mo na, Bitsy. Nandiyan ka pa ba? Are you still with us? Yes, conic section. Hindi, tanong lang ng audience. Okay. No problem, Lodi Geeks School. Ayan. Shoutout kay Junior _nan. Burahin ko na to. Na-screenshot mo na ba, Lodi Geeks School? Burahin ko na. Para pwede na tayo mag-entertain ng question like yung mga tanong about sa ano natin. Burahin ko na to, idol. Thank you. No problem, boss. Limit of a function. Anong tanong mo sa limit? Any tips po sa word problem solving po geometry? Dapat kabisado yung mga geometric formula. Lodi. Age reveal 32, idol. Ba't ko pa na may tatago? Sir, ask ko lang po ba, parehas po ba ang parabola, conic section at quadratic equation? Somehow related po sila. Kaya dapat gamay mo yung pagkuha ng quadratic equations kasi gagamitin mo yun kapag nag-conic section parabola ka na. Kay June V. Kumbaga napaka-importante ng foundation mo in terms of solving quadratic equations, completing the square, to your pre-calculus. Kumbaga pre-rec na yan eh. Napaka-importante. Proving identities. Ano yan, trigo? Thermodynamics, mechanics. Wala kasi ako reference dyan, beauty. Sorry. I'm really sorry, Lodi Geeks. Ayan guys. Wait lang, wala kasi akong makita ng mga nag-ano. Ayan guys, may tanong ba kayo? May concerns regarding sa mga prof nyo? Or anything? Sir, paano malalaman kung anong DE need sa problem? Depende, Lodi Geeks. Kailangan talaga gamay mo. Kumbaga, pwede mo ba siyang i-separate lahat ng DX kasama sa X? Y, DY. May pag-asa pa ba akong grade 12 na gumaling sa math? Oo naman, Hansley Jamison. Derivatives of trigonometric. Nagtuturo naman si Sir, analyze ng word problems. Medyo yan, Lodi Geeks. Kailangan talaga, foundation, yung formulas, napaka-importante. Ayan, siguro magkaroon na lang din tayo ng set of live sa calculus, mga idol, sa mga nagtatanong ng mga calculus. Hindi ko nakikita yung comment, Dior, yung problem. Sensya ka na, idol. Pwede mo ko message later. Tingnan ko na lang, idol. Sa natin, sa message request. Orthogonal trajectory. Kaya nga natin. Application din yung orthogonal trajectory, di ba? Wait lang, hanap ako sa book kung meron ako makita. Anong page ba yung banda? Sir, anong need i-master sa DE? Like mga trigo identities. Dapat kabisado mo yung mga basic trigo. Reciprocal, yung mga Pythagorean, double angle, sum and difference. Napaka-importante nun. Sir, ask ko lang po paano nakuha yung quadratic formula. Meron akong derivation yan, June V. Miko. Meron ako, check mo sa channel ko, naka-English nga yun eh. Hanapin mo derivation of quadratic formula Isaiah James Malin. Pwede mo i-check. Wait lang ah. Anong page yun, idol? Yung trajectory. Hindi ko na makita. Bernoulli equation. Mahaba kasi gawin yung Bernoulli. Pero meron akong beauty. Meron akong samples na nung nakaraang linggo ata or last week. Check mo na lang po. Baka hanggang 12 lang kasi ako, Lodi guys eh. Mag-prepare pa ulit ako later sa interview tomorrow. But for sure, magla-live pa rin tayo bukas. Homogeneous, marami tayo Robby sa channel. Live ng Caltech, hindi idol eh. Hindi ko trip talaga Caltech. Kumbaga okay naman yung Caltech, kaya lang ayoko maging independent dyan. Ewan ko, basta hindi ko lang talaga trip. No problem beauty, pasensya na rin idol ah. Hanggang 12 lang kasi tayo ngayon eh. So check ko na lang yung ibang problems nyo guys. Pwede kayo mag-message sa akin para pwede ko rin gawan ng sa mga hindi ko nasagot na problem, especially related sa math. So what I suggest, pwede kayo mag-send ng problem sa TikTok ko o kaya sa Facebook page ni Sir IJ para ma-check natin. And pwede ko magawa ng video. So pwede nyo malaman yung solution as you go along with your studies. Okay? So guys, may questions or concerns before ko end yung live? Sige, okay lang, check ko later yung inbox ko. Thank you so much to those who watch our live tutorial tonight. Naka-notif ka naman sa akin, sir. Tsaka ina-upload ko rin naman yan sa especially yung mga wala pang 10 minutes, ina-upload ko naman yan sa TikTok natin. Kaya makikita nyo rin yan. Okay guys? May natutunan po ba kayo tonight? Did you learn something new today? Or kahit paano na-refresh, na-recall? Ayun. Thank you din sa Ting. No problem, idol. As much as possible, kung kailangan ng help, tulungan naman kayo ni Sir IJ. Basta wala lang tayo sa spoon feeding era. Gusto ko yung matututo kayo independently. Yossi break de Lodi Geek. Sorry, wala akong bisyo. Hindi naman maitim yung bibig ko. Wala tayo. Hindi ako umiinom, hindi ako nag-yossi. Ayan, good luck sa PLM mo. Sa PLM pala siya. Thank you sa refresher. Thank you din, Dwight Gaming. Thank you, idol. Good night, Jigs_18. Sana nag-enjoy kayo dun sa almost 1.5 hour live natin. Gawan ko na lang din yung sa orthogonal engineer. Good night, mga idol. Bye-bye.